Wait, do you know that videos like this are getting millions of views across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and Facebook? The best part, you don't need a factory, expensive equipment, or even animation skills to start creating them. Viral AI assembling videos is blowing up channels right now, and you can do that. With the power of AI, you can generate stunning miniature assembling videos from airplanes to luxury cars to motorcycle and even robots in minutes. This particular viral video, it is blowing up channel. I've tested it. I posted it on my Facebook, on TikTok, and all my social media platform, and it's giving me amazing views. In this video, I will show you the complete step-by-step process of creating viral AI assembling videos for free. So do not skip any part of this video because every part matters. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment on the comment section. And for the prompt I will be using, it will be on my Telegram group. Make sure to join my Telegram group. All right, so let's get started. The first step is this prompt. This prompt is well detailed prompt. It is a master prompt, but what is important is you see where you see vehicle name right here that is highlighted. You take what is there and type in what you want. For example, let's go with Tesla. Okay, Tesla Cybertruck. Let's go with that. Right here, I typed it. That is where you will type in the um, vehicle, the luxury car, or the jet you want to assemble. All right. Once you've done that, you copy it and head over to your ChatGPT. Paste it the way it is. Paste the prompt exactly the way it is. The only thing you need to edit is that part you need to put in the car you want to assemble. Once you do that, ChatGPT gives you 3 video prompts. ChatGPT gives you 3 video prompts, okay? What you need to do is copy the video prompts, all right? You start with the first one, head over to Google Flow. I will be using Google Flow, but you can use any video generator. But Google Flow is free. It gives you access to generate up to 5 videos every day. So I'm using Google Flow. All right. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt, paste it here, change it to video. Now, if you're going by 9 by 16, indicate you're going by for 16 by 9, whichever size indicate, but make sure you're using Omni Flash. All right, we will be using Omni Flash. Then make sure this agent is highlighted. Okay, then you click on it and paste. You click on it for it to start generating. It takes you to this part. Okay, save it and send. It starts generating. Okay, now you will wait for it to ask you some question and request you to approve. Just click on approve. All right, and it starts generating your video. Now for this, we are given, ChatGPT gives you 3 video prompts. Okay, if you want this demarcated into multiple video prompts, you can tell ChatGPT, but basically 3 is okay. So our first video is generated. You head back, download the second video prompt. Okay, download the video prompt. Now this is one of the easiest niche to hop into right now. It is not stressful, the easiest, and it's getting amazing view. Same process, paste it, make sure you choose the size, the ratio, and you send, and it starts generating again. All right, now once it gets to the second generation, it will equally ask you for your approval. Click approve. Okay, the second video is generating. Now always make sure when you're using this tool, your agent, click on the agent is highlighted. Now this is the third video prompt. You paste it, okay, and it starts generating. You send it, the same process. Okay, you choose the size, the ratio, and Omni Flash, you send it. Right, you give it some minutes, it will ask you for. Now I'm actually waiting for the second video is done generating. I waited for it to be done before sending it. It is done generating, so I can now send the third video. Okay, it will analyze my prompt and ask, explain my prompts, ask me for approval, which I'll give my approval, and the video will start generating. That is the third video. Now, the final work or the final job to be done is you stitching the videos together. Either you're using InShot or you're using CapCut, whatever editing tool you know how to use best. Use it to bring the videos together. Okay, starting from the first one to the second one to the third one, you can add a transition if you choose to. All right, now this is the final video. All right, I will do my own editing and I'll be putting it at the end of this video. At the middle, you can do transition if you want to. You can do animation, whatever effect you want to add to yours, good to go. You can fast forward it a little bit. Some do fast forwarding. Okay, you can do, fast forward it, make it the speed. Sorry, you can increase the speed a little bit, to be faster. All right, so that is how you create this viral video. So watch and remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment on the comment section. See you guys on my next video.